Begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or laying down, where you can fully relax. Close your eyes gently and take a few deep breaths, allowing yourself to settle into the present moment. Let go of any distractions or worries, and give yourself permission to fully immerse in this practice of relaxation. Shift your attention to your body, starting from the top of your head. Notice any sensations, tensions, or areas of discomfort. And without judgment, simply observe what you're feeling, allowing yourself to become fully aware of each part of your body. Notice the contact points between your body and the surface beneath you, feeling supported and grounded. Now, slowly scan down your body, focusing on each area one by one. Start with your scalp and forehead. Notice any tension or tightness in your facial muscles and consciously relax them. Move down to your eyes, cheeks, and jaw, letting go of any residual tension. Continue to scan down through your neck and shoulders, releasing any stiffness you may be holding on to. Feel the weight of your arms as they rest comfortably by your sides. Pay attention to your chest and upper back, allowing each breath to expand and soften these areas. Next, bring your awareness to your abdomen and lower back, feeling the rise and fall of your belly with each breath. Notice any sensations in your hips, pelvis, and thighs, and let go of any tension you may be holding on to in these areas. Continue to scan down through your knees, calves, and shins, all the way down to your feet. Feel the support of the ground beneath you and allow your feet to relax completely. Now take a moment to tune into your entire body from head to toe. Notice how each part feels And if there are any remaining areas of tension, gently breathe into them, allowing them to soften and release. Visualize each breath as a wave of relaxation, washing over your body and melting away any stress or discomfort. Now bring your attention back to your breath, noticing the natural rhythm of inhalation and exhalation. Feel the expansion of your chest and abdomen with each breath in, and the gentle release with each breath out. Allow your breath to be your anchor, grounding you into the present moment and deepening your sense of relaxation. As we come to the end of this body scan meditation, take a few more deep breaths to anchor yourself in the present moment. Know that you can return to this practice whenever you need to relax and unwind. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and bring your awareness back to your surroundings, carrying the sense of relaxation with you as you continue with your day.